Your heart is currently under attack, and you don't even know it. Let that sink in for a second. For men over 50, the bedroom isn't just about intimacy. It's the most accurate biological check engine light in the human body. And if things aren't working downstairs, that's not random. That's not just age. Your body is sounding a 5-alarm fire about your cardiovascular future. And today, we're exposing the 3 daily habits that are quietly, slowly destroying your vitality. Harvard Medical School suggests that erectile dysfunction is often the first sign of systemic heart disease. Think about that. It can show up to 5 years before a heart attack, not after, before. Habit number 1 is what we call the invisible throttle, sedentary microclotting. Now wait, this is where most men get it wrong. It's not just about not exercising, it's deeper than that. It's the fact that sitting for more than 6 hours a day literally shuts down the production of nitric oxide, and nitric oxide is everything. Think of it like the lubricant for your veins. Without it, your blood vessels become stiff, brittle, narrow, and when that happens, blood flow doesn't just slow down, it struggles to exist. Now picture this. You have a massive garden, and you're trying to water it with a hose that's been folded in half for 10 years. No matter how hard you turn the tap, nothing reaches the end. That's exactly what's happening inside your body. This isn't just a manhood problem. This is an endothelial crisis. As we age, our arteries naturally lose elasticity. That's normal. But when you combine that with a sedentary lifestyle, you create something dangerous, a complete death spiral for blood flow. The American Heart Association has already confirmed even moderate activity can reverse this trend. But here's the reality. Most men over 50 are stuck in what we call the office chair trap. And here's something most people don't realize. Every single hour you spend sitting increases your risk of calcification in the heart. Let that hit you, because that same calcium buildup is exactly what stops expansion. The expansion required for a healthy erection. It's not separate. It's directly connected, 1-to-1. Habit number 2, the stress paradox. You think you're just working hard, providing for your family, handling responsibilities, but your brain, your biology, thinks something very different. It thinks you're being hunted. When stress becomes chronic, your body floods itself with cortisol, and cortisol is a master kill switch. In nature, if a lion is chasing you, your body shuts down everything that isn't essential for survival, including reproduction. Blood gets redirected away from your extremities and sent to your lungs, your legs, so you can run. That's how you survive. But here's the real problem. In today's world, the lion never leaves. It's your job, your deadlines, your phone, your constant notifications, your financial pressure. You are living in a permanent state of biological emergency. And in that state, your body makes a decision, not consciously, but biologically, survival over performance. And that suppresses testosterone, kills libido, and slowly disconnects you from your own vitality. Now, if you're over 40 or over 50 and you've started noticing changes, less energy, less drive, less performance, don't ignore it. Save this video, because you're going to need it. And more importantly, you're going to need to talk about this with your doctor. This isn't small. This could literally save your life. Now, this next one works faster than anything else on this list. Habit number 3, high glycemic spiking. Most men over 50 already have some level of insulin resistance, even if they don't realize it. And every time you eat refined sugar, processed carbs, your blood sugar spikes aggressively. And that spike creates something called advanced glycation end products, AGEs. Think of it like this. You're taking a high-performance engine and pouring sand directly into it. Your blood becomes thicker, stickier, slower, and over time, this creates inflammation that damages the delicate lining of your blood vessels. But here's where it gets dangerous. It's not just sugar, it's the healthy stuff too. Fruit juices, white bread, processed snacks, things people think are safe. These spikes can drop your free testosterone in as little as 30 minutes. 30 minutes. That means you're not just eating food, you're actively working against your own body, slowly, consistently, eroding your masculinity. Now, here's the good news, because there is good news. While medication has its place, lifestyle changes can dramatically improve your numbers without side effects. Start simple. 20 minutes of Zone 2 cardio. That alone can restart your nitric oxide production. Add breathing control, box breathing, to shut down the cortisol alarm. And most importantly, cut the processed sugar. Remove the rust from your system. And now, this is where everything changes. Because in the next 24 hours, you're going to make a decision. You're either going to continue feeding the habits that are breaking you down slowly, silently, or you're going to take control. This isn't just about sex. This isn't just about performance. This is about who you are going to be for the next 10, 20, 30 years of your life. Are you going to be the man who takes control, or the man who watches everything fade without doing anything about it? The choice is yours.